Hey there, I am going to go ahead and get you guys started on the practice. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but I'm just going to give you a few pointers to think about. So here's your practice. We're focusing on question number 1. Okay, so it says the field inside a running track, so here's our track and there's the field, is made out of a rectangle that is 84.39 meters long, and they've labeled that for us right here, and 73 meters wide. So here's that with a half circle at each end. Okay. Now, I know when it talks about the distance around, I'm probably going to have to use circumference, and especially since that's been our lesson today, make sure that you are documenting what the circumference is. Now, if you're not quite sure, or the formula for the circumference, if you're not quite sure where to find that, I'm going to go ahead and go back and look at your notes. Okay, so I'm going to go back through here. My suggestion is go ahead and look at that first one. Let it pull up. Okay, so this has all these pictures. It tells us right here that in order to find the circumference, you can do it 2 ways. You can find the circumference equals pi, which is about 3.14 times the diameter, or 2 pi r, so the radius. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at this one right here. And I'm picking that one because if I remember back, I think I'm going to have the diameter, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So that's the formula that we're going to work with. So let me go ahead and go back to where we were. So Digital Learning Day 12. And I'm going to go down to our practice problem. Okay, so let me go ahead and record our circumference. So the circumference equals pi, which is about 3.14, that's all in your notes, times the diameter. Okay, so if I look at this circle, I need to find this distance. Let me do it in a hot pink. I need to find this distance all the way around. Okay, so we've got a circle and a rectangle. Okay, well, we know that this distance right here is 84.39. And I know that this distance is 84.39. So that's taking care of 2 of my pieces. Okay. Now I just need to find these. Now, both of these together make up the circumference of a circle. So I know the diameter of the circle is right here. So in this case, my diameter is 73. And essentially, I need to add that to pi, or multiply that by pi in order to find the circumference, and then put all of that together. So good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. You can do it.